Alrighty, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Damon here, and I'm back at it again with another banger video, y'all. And today, I was bringing you guys the epic nail gun class setup. I actually unlocked this gun with doing these special kills, or with all the special kills challenges. I did not buy the framework bundle, so I did grind it out. Basically, there was no attachments for the nail gun, but the RAM, most overpowered gun in the game. Y'all should use it. Monolithic suppressor, the FSS Ranger barrel, VLK 3x optic, always T-pose, you already know what's going on, 50 round mag, commando foregrip. If you guys are new, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. Road to 60 subscribers and on the road to 100. Alright. Now that we have a full squad. There's so many people up here. Fuck this shit, I'm out. I got you, that's not. I got you. Oh shit. Help. We can get a loadout right now for no problem. We need that loadie. It's do or die right now. If you want to drop me the money and all. Where do you want me to throw it? Just down here? Jesus. Dude, this nail gun rocks, dude. Got to. Dang, dude. I literally, I just flanked his ass so hard, man. I'd be right now, except for 27 meters right outside the building. My God, this thing is twisted. I didn't touch him. Everything should be there. They're at 94 meters. Yeah. I just got Jesus, dude, we're dropping crazy numbers right now. 27 meters right there.
We're in safe zone. Watch your enemy.
Down, I hit.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert. Targeting me.
I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. No way. No way. I just got out CTK'd, man. Ah.